to my channel. Today is officially the start of fall here on my YouTube channel, and I could not be more excited. I love fall. I especially love cooking in the fall. Last year I posted a lot of really great stuff, so definitely check that out if you get a chance. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy recipe for pumpkin spice donuts. Now if you like pumpkin and you like donuts, this is definitely a recipe that you should try. It's so simple. If you are vegan, you mostly have all of these ingredients on hand already, but if you don't, you may have to just pick one or two things up at the store and you are ready to go. But I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. It's delicious, and I am giving you two topping options. One is a cinnamon sugar topping and the other is a cinnamon glaze. So you can try both or just try one, but either way, they're both really good. Anyways, that's all I have to say. Let's get straight into the video. In a large mixing bowl, add in your dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour, pumpkin pie spice, baking powder, and salt, and then whisk that together until well combined. And then you can just set that aside, and in a separate mixing bowl we're going to add our wet ingredients, which is brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar, but coconut sugar will also work. Some pumpkin puree, unsweetened almond milk, melted coconut oil, and some vanilla. Be sure to get a good quality vanilla. It really goes a long way in making your recipes taste even better. And then just whisk everything together until well combined. Next, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and switch over to a large spoon. Be sure not to overmix the batter. Donuts are very similar to muffins in that if you overmix the batter, they're just going to come out really dense and gummy. So just stir it until you no longer see flour visible. Add some nonstick spray to a 6-mold donut pan and we are ready to go. And then I added all of the batter to a quart-size freezer bag. I really like these because they're a lot thicker than, just traditional plastic baggies. And then I cut about a 1/2 inch hole at the bottom, and I'm just piping it in each donut hole. Sometimes I find that portioning batter can be the hardest part. At the end, if you still have some batter left in your bag, don't worry. Just even it out as best as you can, and then you can smooth the tops with the back of a spoon and your donuts will still come out looking pretty. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then pop these in a 350-degree oven for about 17 to 18 minutes. When the donuts are finished, let them cool in the pan for 5 more minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool. My absolute favorite way to eat these donuts is with a cinnamon sugar topping. It's just seriously so delicious. I love the texture and the sweetness. But you can also make a cinnamon glaze with a little powdered sugar, cinnamon, and some plant milk. That's also very delicious as well. And our donuts are ready to eat. I'm pairing mine with some vanilla chai tea. I love chai in the fall. It's so warm and cozy and pairs well with just about every fall dessert. If you like pumpkin spice and donuts, definitely give this recipe a try. I think that you'll really love them. I hope you enjoyed today's fall recipe video. If you did, hit the like and don't forget to hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll be back in a couple days for another fall recipe. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Happy fall, Turkey. Turkey, happy fall.